Hey man, Nike's already back in their bag. They say, you know what, bro? You know, we got some more pairs sitting in our warehouse. We got some things we want to do. We gotta let some of this stock go. We need people to buy these sneakers sitting in the warehouse. So guess what they do today, man? They did a shock drop over the Air Jordan 4 White Thunders, a shock drop restock, however you want to call it. And I'm already knowing, bro, it's going to be some more shock drops around the corner. We already been hearing rumors about the next couple, which comes in no surprise. Let's talk about in today's video, man. Yo, what's going on, everybody on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video, man. It's greatly appreciated, man. I appreciate you tapping into today's video. We had to click on it, but you did. And I do truly want to say thank you, man, from the bottom of my heart, man. If you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button. Like goes a long way. And let me know in the comment section off rip if you did hit on the shock drop restock that happened today on the Nike sneakers app, man. So, like I said earlier in the video, we're going to get right into it. We've been hearing, or, you know, comes no surprise, at the next couple of shock drops we will be getting. And, of course, I did show you guys the one that's going to be first to come out via a shock drop since these do release here within the next couple of months, man. It is the Air Jordan 1 Reimagined Black Toe. This one right here, bro, you know, I wasn't knocking it too bad, you know, once I did get it in hand, because the quality, the colorway, you know, it ain't bad. It's not a bad shoe, man. Who don't love the black toes? And I'll explain that to you guys. I love the black toes. I love the story. I love the meaning behind this pair in general, but just me personally, I just can't get with the Air Jordan. Everybody bash me in the comment section, man. That's what it is. I always say, man, buy what you like, man, but the packaging nonetheless is super, super nice. I'm over here trying to look for them. Here they go right here. Here they go, bro. Here they go right here, man. Check them out. The Black Toe Reimagined. I do have a video slated, you know, coming out very soon, kind of breaking down all of the reimagined Air Jordans we have gotten, and, you know, kind of comparing, contrasting, seeing some of the details we got, vice versa, with, you know, different reimagined sneakers. And I do feel like this one right here, they put a little bit more details and, you know, story and you know, storytelling with this shoe, given the fact that this is like a PE. It's you know, a shoe that we've seen in the past with Jordan having his shoulder, and again, hence the box. They got him over his shoulder on the box. They got some other pictures on the tissue paper inside these black toes. But I know you're probably like, yo, we heard all that in the early look, man. But these right here, bro, will be shock dropping soon. We already know it, bro. I've been doing this for so long, bro. We just know what shoe is going to shock drop. When you know Nike put a little bit more emphasis on a certain sneaker, they're trying to push something, they trying to sell something, they trying to put out their storytelling to the people, we're going to see shock drops on this. We're going to see exclusive accesses on this sneaker. It's only a matter of time. Just like they've seen with the Lost and Founds, we do have them right here. These shock drop, it was an exclusive access for people that took L's on Jordan 1s within the last 2 years. It was a bunch of stuff surrounding this one. We also got another shock drop restock a little bit after the drop for these joints. It was just a crazy, crazy release. And you've seen pairs releasing over in Europe, restocks and stuff like that for their sneakers day. So they're pairs, bro. And I know how terrible the release was for the Lost and Founds, that they had more pairs, and who knows, they might still have some pairs in the back of the warehouse. But I do think that this treatment they got on Lost and Found Chicago's will be getting the same on the Black Toe Reimagined. Again, bro, I do feel like they went a little deep in their bag with the storytelling per se. You know, the whole PE, the whole, what's another name you could throw with these? You know, Nike, Jordan himself had him over his shoulder, bro. He had him over his shoulder with that Air Jordan. Y'all see it, bro. Y'all know everybody mad at me because I don't like the Air Jordan on the side, but it just looks off. And I'm not the only one, bro. And I'm not trying to not make you buy the shoe. I'm not trying to make you buy the shoe. I'm just giving you guys my personal opinion. I swear, I feel like people take that away sometimes from the videos, bro. Like, I'm giving you guys my personal opinion. I'm not getting paid to talk about this. I paid damn near $300. I paid over $300 for these. So I'm not trying to make you buy them. I'm not trying to make you not buy them. You know what I'm saying? I'm just giving you guys my honest take, my honest opinion. I didn't have to get these, bro. I just got them early for you guys. You know, give you some details, give you some, you know, thought behind how I feel about them. And I know some other people that like them, some people that don't like them. It is what it is, bro. Buy what you like at the end of the day, bro. So if you say something, you say, I don't know how you don't like the shoe, it's because I buy what I like. And I think me being in this position, bro, I gotta say I wear what I like, or I keep what I like, because, you know, shoes like this, or even shoes that I've touched in the past, bro, I get them for you guys specifically, bro. They don't even be for me. They be for you guys, you know what I'm saying? So hope y'all appreciate that, and don't take that away from the fact of how I get these shoes and why I be getting these shoes, especially like something like this, bro. Could have got the Wings logo on there, would have been perfect. Would have been perfect, you know what I'm saying? But you guys make sure you stay tuned for a shock drop on this. Thing that released for October 18th. We checked the other day on the early look, and I do believe it was October 18th. I might be wrong, so let me check real quick. I'm gonna try to talk a little bit in the between time as I pull these joints up. But the black toes, super tough in terms of the colorway, but the Air Jordan on the side, bro. I don't know, man. It just can't be me. And I seen the comments. Some people loved it. Some people hated it. And this is what it is, bro. At the end of the day, like I said, man, buy what you like. Yeah, so October the 18th, they are over on GOAT right now. And the prices are not that bad. You can get pairs around $330, $340 in some sizes. But they are very, very accessible right now in the public. There's a lot of pairs out there. And we're about a month away. So we should see this shot drop very, very soon. Maybe at the beginning of October, or later next week. Later next week, the end of September. You never know. But stay tuned, stick around for the details and the full rundown on these details on the channel. Subscribe right now. You subscribe right now, bro. Hit that like button, man. And then another classic Air Jordan colorway, a remastered colorway that we will be seeing is the Black Cement Air Jordan 3s. It's people complaining about the elephant print. It's people complaining about the cut. It's people complaining about the leather quality. Nobody is happy, bro. Everybody, you can't please everybody. That's what I learned when doing YouTube. You cannot please everybody. It's gonna be somebody that hates something about something regarding shoes, car. It don't matter what it is. You can't satisfy people, bro. It's just people want instant gratification. It's just wild nowadays. But we will be seeing a shock drop. Like I said, I've been doing this for so long, bro. We know what Nike is going to do. We know what's going to happen. We know what's going to pop off. And this is around Black Friday release with these Black Cement Air Jordan 3s. They scrapped the black cats. They say, you know what? We're going to give you guys these remastered joints. But again, man, people talking about the elephant print. People talking about the leather quality and all that. I just got to get a pair in the hand myself to actually check them out, see, and kind of, you know, gauge the sneaker, see what they talking about, bro. See what they talking about. I'm not gonna knock them down just yet, but I have seen some pictures, have seen some videos. I've seen some things that me myself, I'm not too fond on, but it is what it is, bro. Again, buy what you like. I'm here to give you guys my opinion, break down the sneaker. But the 2018 pair, hey, they about done, man. I've been wearing them to the gym too, so we need to get a fresh, crispy pair of the remasters and throw them on ice for a while, you know what I'm saying? So stay tuned, stick around for these two sneakers via a shock drop. Of course, this one gonna come first because it releases October 18th, less than a month away. So keep your eyes peeled open, bro. When I come on YouTube, we go live or have a video talking about a shock drop on these. Make sure you tapped in. Make sure you tune in. So hit the notification bell now. And of course, the Air Jordan 3 Black Cement Remastered. So we got reimagined, we got remastered this year. What's gonna be next from Nike and Jordan Brand? So I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Hope you took a couple things away from this video. But at the end of the day, bro, again, man, buy what you like. And y'all can go crazy in the comment section, bro. I gotta see what y'all talking about. There's so much going on in the city community. And just know 2025, Nike and Jordan Brand is not letting up. So much crazy stuff dropping, and I'm not even gonna think about it just yet because I already know when we get by December, January time frame, you're gonna see a bunch of early pairs, you're gonna see a lot of stuff. So stick around, I'm gonna save all that for you guys close to the end of this year, man. So again, sub up, hit that like button, comment down below. Shock drop coming soon for some notable releases that we already know. We're up here chopping up with you guys, and when we do get the news about this shock drop happening, I'm definitely gonna come up here and let you know, man. Well, y'all, appreciate y'all for tapping in again. Always been said, your boy DeVintage. Gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.